Custom two-tone Forgiatos on the Jeep. Coast to Coast Customs. He's not ready. Got those 28-inch gold Azaras on the Yukon. Gold accents. Forgiatos, those floating caps on the bends. Coast to coast. GLE 63. Don't come on my street. I'm here with AP the jeweler. We just finished up the 24s on the GLE 63 Forgiatos.
Yes, sir. Coast to Coast Customs, man.
Got those big ass AMG brakes. Where we at? Coast to Coast?
Coast to Coast Customs, man. The best in the game. Y'all boys in the Miami or Broward area, pull up. They gonna get you right, man. They got a contract directly with Forgies. They gonna get you the best numbers, man. You know what I'm saying? Just had to put 24s in this baby real quick. Something like.
That's it. We appreciate you, man.